Finding an account on Pinterest is straightforward, whether you're looking for a specific person or topic. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open Pinterest. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your mobile device or visiting the Pinterest website on your computer. Log in or sign up. If you're not already logged in, you will need to either log into your existing Pinterest account or sign up for a new one. Use the search bar or lens. Desktop. In the top left corner, you will see a search bar. Type the name of the account or topic you're looking for and press enter. Mobile. Tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen. You can type in the search bar or tap the camera icon to search using a photo. Browse results. Scroll through the search results to find the account you're looking for. Pinterest displays profiles, boards, and pins related to your search query. Follow the account. To follow an account, click on it or tap it to view their profile. Then click the follow button to see their content in your feed. Explore boards and pins. Once you've found the account, you can explore their boards and pins related to your interests.